Today I'm doing a demonstration on how to change the hot tip of the heated probe. We supply an assortment of parts to do this. Using the Allen key, it's easy enough to take out the old tip. And of course, do it with the power off. Next, insert the new tip. But you really want to make sure that it's very well seated. So I like to use the copper block. And the reason I like the copper block is you could put some downward pressure while you're tightening up the set screw. So now I can feel the set screw is tight while the tip is being well seated. Okay. Thank you for watching and enjoy your testing.